Guru Nation, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. If you don't know what to comment, put a robot emoji. It helps, or put any emoji you feel like. People have been getting creative on the comments. It's been helping me out with the algorithm. Look, before I start my day, I got an email from someone the other day from an international medical graduate, but honestly, this applies to anybody, but it's a little bit, I keep saying it, a little bit easier for you international medical graduates. So, hey, I've been watching your content on YouTube since I got hired as a coordinator about 10 months ago, and I wanted to reach out after recently listened to your podcast with Louis Bogran, the IMG. Yes, shout out, Louis. See, I'm telling you, Louis, people are liking the message, man. So I came to the States. This is an immigrant, foreign doctor. Came here when he was just like me, younger than me, 2.5 years old. And ended up going back to the country where he's from. Planned on obtaining the ECFMG certificate, but it's tough. That's tough. Kids, family health issues. It's life happens. Okay, so over a year or so ago, a friend of this person who was just in med school with him got hired as a coordinator. And 10 months ago, he helped me get hired with a doctor that wanted to start a program. Ever since I started getting absorbed in research, I became amazed at how complex and how many various positions there are within this industry. So am I to this day, and the industry keeps evolving now with decentralized trials on the horizon, and even further in the horizon when you've got things like the metaverse. It's always going to evolve. Given my background, what would you say are a few things I can do to move up? So they're already a coordinator, but they're thinking to move up. Right now, I think I'm not going to go for the ECFMG certification, as it has been a while since they finished school. I was thinking of getting an MBA or MHA and getting into some hospital clinic role, but I think research is the route for me. To move up in research until I get a master's, it's not necessary. What other certifications could I possibly look into getting to make me stand out? Basically, I would like to be a CRA, CTA, or even a medical monitor, or even clinical trial manager. You can do all those things. But 10 months as a coordinator, continue doing it. If you're at a small clinic, it's best, because you basically are going to put what you were going to do at that small clinic as a CRC is what maybe 5 or 10 people at a university academic medical center are going to do on their CV, right? Like you're gaining a wide variety of skills in a short amount of time. I would say continue with the CRC. If the site is not good for you, go to another site. Smaller, the better, right? But if you like where you're at, stay where you're at. Within 2 years, you can qualify for the ACRP, which is the Certified Clinical Research Coordinator exam, CCRC. I don't care too much about accreditations, but if you want to keep moving up in the industry as far as careers, ACRP is a good one. Problem is they won't let you even sit for the exam until you have 2 years of experience. It might even be 3. So as soon as you can do that. Do the ACRP, Certified Clinical Research Professional. While you're doing this, network like crazy with all your CRAs. Connect with all of them on LinkedIn. Be active on LinkedIn. If you don't know what to do, just go to my comments on LinkedIn and start commenting with other people commenting on my stuff, or on YouTube. Get involved. Get people to know you. They love IMGs. Magical things happen when you get that 2 years of experience as a CRC, and now you're a certified clinical research coordinator. Now all of a sudden CROs are like, look, you want to be a CRA, you're an IMG, let's do it. You might even be able to do the CRA thing before you get certified as a ACRP coordinator because of your IMG background. So it doesn't hurt to start networking now. And the way the market is right now in a 2022 world, can't believe it's 2022. In a 2022 world, your chances are better off. So you may not even need the Certified Clinical Research Coordinator. If you get hired as a CRA, then get SOCRA certified as a CRA, Certified Clinical Research Associate. Or if you want a more of a generalist, get Certified Clinical Research Professional by ACRP. Don't do a master's degree. Don't do a master's degree. Get practical certifications. I would say my CRA Academy, you probably don't need it. Right? Here I am telling you on YouTube, you probably don't need my CRA Academy because you're already in the industry. Now it's just a matter of networking and leveraging your developing and then leveraging your skill set. All right, that's what it takes. That's all you got to do. So, and from CRA, you can go to medical monitor. You can as an IMG. You can do clinical trial manager within 5 to 7 years of that. Watch my interview with several clinical trial managers in the past. You can do line manager if you don't want to travel anymore. You can do project manager. If you want to go like the more technical route of project manager, you can get some certifications on project management, certified project manager. But don't get an MBA. Don't get a master's. Don't waste your time with this. Get practical, real-world experience, not academic nonsense on your resume. Real-world stuff. The more studies you do, the more things you do, the better off you're going to be. Maybe you get bored with research in 7, 10 years. You can go medical science liaison at that point. So that's my advice to you. Keep it up. Keep it going. Good luck. Keep me posted. I'd love to do a podcast with you at some point, my friend. Take care.